Lovely guys, as you can see right here I have my bowl. Right here I have 4 ounces of unsalted butter and it is room temperature. Basically I'm gonna simply scrape it straight inside of my bowl like this, like you guys can see. Now what I'm gonna do next is getting out 4 ounces of sugar. That's one of the main things you need to do, guys. Get 4 ounces of sugar and 4 ounces of butter. Really nice and so easy and simple. So this is 4 ounces of sugar. And all you need to do is simply cream the butter and the sugar using a wooden spoon. You don't need a hand blender, or you can just use your wooden spoon and simply just mix it like this until you get really, so as you can see. So simple, guys. Then next you need to get 4 ounces of self-rising flour. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful. So right here it's gonna be 4 ounces of self-rising flour. Simple. And then next what you're gonna do is put cinnamon, guys, cinnamon sponge. Roughly a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of mixed spice. Just a little pinch of mixed spice. Give it a little stir. I love to put the egg in last because, you know what I mean, when you put in the egg last, that means you don't get your cake raw. Then we're gonna put a pinch of vanilla, not too much vanilla, just a little pinch. Yep, nice one. Then get 2 eggs. That's 1, 2, and simple, give it a whisk. And also just a pinch of milk, roughly a tablespoon of milk. And I'm using all the milk, guys. Nice one. Then take your time and simple pour it a little bit first and simple give it a little stir. I love to put the egg in last because what happen now, the egg won't make the dough raw. And then put in the rest. Nice one. Simple, give it a stir. Then now you can get like a hand whisk and just simple give it a whisk like this. So as you can see, this is exactly what you're looking for. But in the meantime, please preheat your oven first. If you're using a gas mark 4 or 5 is good for it for 25 minutes inside of the oven. If you're using a different kind of oven, 165 is good for 20 minutes. Nice. Then next, this is my baking tray. Put a little piece of butter on the inside. And all you need to do is get a piece of a napkin and rub the butter in the inside of it like this. Make sure it's really greased good. Nice one. And then simple. Get your dough and simple scrape it in. Just like this, guys. Nice. So as you can see, exactly what the Chef Ricardo is all about. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Gas mark 4 or 5 is good for 20-25 minutes inside of the oven, guys. If you're using a different oven, as I said before, 165, 20 minutes is good. If not, give it a 2 more minutes and just bake it. Cinnamon sponge, very easy and simple recipe. You can do this at home with the kids. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice, guys. The sponge just came out of the oven. Slice off a piece already, just to make sure, because someone was waiting on it. So, but beautiful and nice. As you can see, cinnamon sponge. You can put a little bit of ice and sugar on top if you like the ice and sugar. If not, you can eat the same way. But as you can see, looking so lovely and nice and fantastic. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.